How to do a pregnancy test with vinegar at home. In this video, we will talk about pregnancy is a journey that brings a mix of excitement, hope, and sometimes a bit of anxiety, especially for those eagerly awaiting confirmation. For some women, buying a pregnancy test kit isn't always an option, whether due to cost or privacy concerns. This is where home-made methods like the vinegar pregnancy test come in. What is a vinegar pregnancy test? A vinegar pregnancy test is a homemade method in which white vinegar is mixed with a urine sample. The vinegar is believed to react with hCG, the hormone that appears in higher levels in a woman's urine during pregnancy, producing a visible change. Types of vinegar to use. Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Continue watching. Clear or white vinegar is essential for this test, since the color change indicates pregnancy. While apple cider vinegar is popular in kitchens, it's not suitable for this test due to its natural color, which could make results difficult to interpret. Types of vinegar pregnancy tests. 1. Traditional vinegar pregnancy test. Things you'll need for the test. 1. 2 sterilized containers. 2. Clear distilled vinegar. 3. Morning urine sample. How to perform the test. 1. Collect your first morning urine sample in a clean container. 2. Pour some vinegar into a second container. 3. Mix a small amount of urine with the vinegar. 4. Stir and let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. 5. After 5 minutes, check for any color changes. In the traditional test, a color shift might indicate pregnancy, while no color change suggests a negative result. 2. Tuna, oil, and vinegar test. Things you'll need for the test. 1. 2 sterilized containers. 2. Clear distilled vinegar. 3. Tuna oil. 4. Morning urine sample. Steps for the tuna, oil, and vinegar test. 1. Collect your first morning urine sample in a clean container. 2. Measure equal parts of tuna, oil, and vinegar in a larger container. 3. Mix a small amount of urine. 4. Stir and observe any color change. A greenish hue indicates a positive result, while orange or yellow suggests a negative result. Factors that could impact results. 1. Timing. Testing before a missed period may lead to a false negative, as hCG levels may not be high enough to trigger a reaction with the vinegar. 2. Dilution. The correct ratio of vinegar to urine is key. Too much vinegar can dilute the urine, affecting the acidity and potentially giving inaccurate results. 3. Vinegar storage. Using fresh vinegar is essential. Vinegar that's expired or improperly stored may lose its acidity, which is crucial for the test. 4. Incomplete reaction. Make sure to mix thoroughly. Incomplete stirring or using either ingredient too much or too little could lead to inaccurate results. Homemade tests can give an insight but shouldn't replace professional medical tests. If you believe you're pregnant, make an appointment with your doctor to confirm with a medically approved pregnancy test.